Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a mouth-watering spicy grilled fish and plantain. Join me while I dabble into the process. Right here I have my curry powder, my pepper mix, my chicken stock, and a little bouillon. So I added about a tablespoon of my sweet chili sauce. Next I added about a tablespoon of my fish sauce. It's okay to add any spicy of your choice. Next, I'll be adding my onion powder. Next, I added my ginger, just a little of it, okay? And I gave it a quick stir for everything to combine properly. And I'm cutting through my fishes. Yes, my fishes were already washed and cleaned. I'll be garnishing them with my already mixed spices, right? So I'll be continuing the process till I'm done marinating them with my spices. So right now I'll go to get my oven pan. I'll transfer the fishes right into my oven pan. Yes, and I'll have some plantains cut, peeled and washed. So this is it. I'll be transferring into my oven for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, this is what we have. Please stay standby so that your food, your fish and plantain will get burnt. So I'm applying the pepper mix already prepared behind the camera. It's okay to skip this process if you don't want to apply your pepper mix, okay? You can just go right away to enjoy your food the way it is, okay? So right now, this is what we have. It's going back into the oven to last for 10 minutes so that our pepper taste, our pepper mix, everything will also go into our food to give it an added taste and flavor. Please, if you like what you watched or what you're watching, please do not forget to subscribe. I beg you, okay? And to all my returning subscribers, I thank you so much. You aren't taken for granted. I love you all. Okay, so this is it. I'll just go right away to enjoy this with any drink of my choice. See you next time.